L'Enfant CABR Construction Machinery Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise set up in 2003. CABR constantly provides new products and technology to the construction market with professional processing equipment and strict quality control system. Our product categories include hoisting machinery, rebar processing machinery, concrete and mortar machinery, piling machinery, BMU. CABR has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 certification. Construction hoist, concrete placing boom, automatic stirrup benders, BMU and drilling rakes have passed CE certification. Construction hoist and BMU also have passed EAC certification. With professional technology, reliable quality, long lifespan, complete safety protection system and in-time after-sales services, our products have one nice reputation among customers both in China and abroad. Now we have exported our products to more than 70 countries in the world. You can see our products working well serving our clients from different industries, such as super high-rise buildings, Olympic stadiums, big bridges, airport, chimneys, cooling tower and different construction sites. Under the general background of Chinese government's One Belt One Road policy, we will keep improving ourselves and serving our customers with considerable products and services. CABR, your one-stop supplier of construction equipment. Welcome to contact us.